Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for andouille sausage with rice. It's so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is andouille sausage, you'll need cooking oil, green bell pepper, paprika, thyme, oregano, garlic cloves, onion, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, diced tomatoes in a can, long grain rice, and chicken broth. So in my skillet I have the oil and it's over a medium heat. I'm just going to add the peppers, onions, and the garlic. I'm going to saute this until they're soft. So next I'm going to be putting in the andouille sausage. So I have the andouille sausage sliced into like a 1/4 inch thick. If you like it thinner, make it thinner or make it thicker. It's up to you. I'm going to add in the tomatoes with the juice. Give it a mix. I'm going to add in all the spices. Mix that. I'm going to add in the rice. And the broth. Give it a mix. Now you want to turn the flame on to a high. Bring it up to a boil. Cover it with a lid. And once it's at a boil, then turn it down to a low and let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes until most of the liquid is absorbed. So it's been cooking for about 25 minutes. I'm going to remove the lid. I'm going to give it a try. See, most of the liquid has been absorbed. And here you have it, andouille sausage with rice. It's so delicious and so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.